Korea is surrounded by mountains and sea, so you can enjoy various leisure sports. It's said that spring and fall are getting shorter, but there are 4 seasons, so you can feel the season everywhere. I came to the Sonami Island, which is surrounded by Chuncheon River and mountains. Sonami Island means small Nami Island. The sand and gravel around the island change in shape and size because of the flow of the river and the mountain of precipitation. People come to enjoy camping, and in the summer, they come to enjoy the wakeboard. I wonder what your body and mind feel happy about. Try to attach the hip to the floor further and lift your head to the sky from that power. Think of it as leaning against the wall, and then articulate your spine one by one. The more you repeat this movement, your spine will be longer. This movement also can be difficult to center your body, but you can do it. Pull up your abdomen as much as possible and lower your shoulders. Your body, like rugby balls, will try to use small muscles to center. You can use the inner thighs more, which are part of the powerhouse. Maybe it could be easier to center your body. Then take the challenge of holding your toes and rolling without changing your posture. Now, draw pretty water drops in the sky, right and left. Move long from the center of your body. And when you get used to it, try to hold your back more strongly. Stretch your back by lifting your abdomen. And keep your pelvis centered on the floor. Reach your arms forward and backward. Your center will be stronger and longer. Find the position where your neck and wrists are not uncomfortable. Gently rake your thoracic up and make a long arch shape. Keep your back nice and long, and don't resist the floor with your arms. I hope you're not far from seeing nature in your busy life.